Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So, hi guys. I haven't filmed a video in such a long time. It's almost gonna be a year. I think the last time that I filmed something was like in September of 2023. It's been a while. I didn't have time because of school and I just had so much to do. And well, now I graduated 2 months ago. Was it 2 months ago? Yeah, it was in May 29th of 2024. So yeah, I am done with school and I'm really happy about that. And kind of sad at the same time because I don't know, I just miss having structure or I don't know. But anyways, I missed filming videos and I miss talking to all of you guys. And some of you have been messaging me on Instagram and Facebook, and some have been texting me. So I really appreciate that. You guys are great. And well, I'm back. I'm back on YouTube and I'm going to be replying to your comments. Hopefully, you guys are still here watching me. And if you're not, it's okay. The other reason why I also stopped recording videos is because my camera broke. I don't know if you guys remember that. And I supposedly fixed it. It was working fine right now. Like I was gonna start recording a video. But now when I turn it on, this is what happens. Oh, now it works. Of course it works when I try to show someone. But it was messed up right now. Okay. So I'll use this one for my next video, but I swear it wasn't working just a few seconds ago. I even took a picture to show you guys. That is so weird. Anyways, this is what it looked like right now when I was trying to record a video, but now all of a sudden when I'm trying to show you guys, it actually works. Isn't that funny? But anyways, how have you guys been? What have you guys been up to? I know a lot of you guys also stopped doing YouTube, and it's kind of sad because I went back to watch your guys' YouTube videos and they're not there. So what's going on? Let me know. I want to know. I want to see more of your guys' videos as well. But anyways, yeah, I miss talking to you guys and it feels kind of weird recording again. I'm recording in the kitchen, by the way, because my room is super hot and I don't want to have to turn off the AC because it's too loud, and hopefully this AC is not too loud. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. But anyways, today I'm going to be unboxing two things. Well, one thing I already opened, it's something that Chris sent me, so I'll show you guys that first. And anyway, she sent me this a long time ago, like in February or March of this year, 2024. But I never opened it because I was waiting to have time to be able to record a video and I just never had time, and I feel so bad that I never opened it, and now that I'm out of school I had a chance to open it and I feel so bad. But anyways, thank you Chris for sending me this beautiful palette. So yeah, she sent me a palette. She does make YouTube videos, so if you guys want to go follow her, I will have her YouTube channel linked down below. She is super sweet and I just love watching her videos. I'm watching videos from like 5 months ago, so I'm trying to catch up. So anyways, she did write me a cute little note. That's why I felt extra guilty for not opening this package sooner. I'm sorry Chris, I'm sorry I didn't open your package. I was just trying to record a video and it never happened. But anyways, here it is. And I already opened it. It's super beautiful. I love it. So this one is from Wicked Sisters and it is a hot Do Witchcraft, Eat Pizza and Chill palette. And it's super cute. I already looked at them, but I haven't swatched them. So anyways, this is what it looks like. Look at those beautiful colors, and I love that it looks like pizza. So she knows me very well. She knows I love pizza. And I really like the names on the palette as well, like on the eyeshadows. It says deep dish, Chicago style, New York style, garlic, onions, mushrooms, jalapenos, Parmesan, just one slice, pepperoni, carry out, extra cheese, red peppers, pineapple, and hot and fresh. So yeah, they're super, super beautiful and I love them. So I can't wait to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I'm not gonna swatch them today. I'll make another video. Let me know if you guys would like to watch a palette bingo. I haven't done one of those in a long, long time. So thank you so much, Chris. I really love this beautiful palette. So pretty and it's so me because I love pizza. And I'm sorry, I feel really guilty for not opening this sooner. If I sound kind of weird, I am a little sick. I mean, I don't feel sick, it's just my throat feels weird. Okay, so anyways, I'm also going to be unboxing this Walmart beauty box. This is the new one. The Beauty Box Summer 2024 beauty box. As you can see. I also have two that I didn't open from last year. And one is the Winter 2023 Beauty Box, and the other one is Beauty Box Fall 2023. So let me know if you guys would like me to open these on a separate video. I could open both of them at the same time or one box per video, if that makes sense. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to open this one because it's more recent. Here it is. Ta-da! Summer Fresh Walmart Beauty Box, and as usual, it has the items that they sent me or that they possibly sent me. So the first item here is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Derm Intensive 1.5% pure hyaluronic plus microepidermic HA plumping serum. This one here, and let me open this up. It's just a little sample, so okay, here it is. And it's a cute little bottle. So this supposedly plumps the skin and reduces wrinkles, and it says that you get visible results from the first hour. Hydration is deeply replenished, skin looks replumped, and the lines appear reduced. And in 1 week, skin feels bouncier and more elastic. Lines and wrinkles are visibly smoother. Week after week, lines and wrinkles continue to visibly reduce. So that's pretty cool. And let's see, that one retails for $25.97, the full size. And this is just a sample size. Okay, now the next product that I got is this little sample size right here. And it's Physicians Formula Butter Glow Liquid Bronzer. Radiance Boosting Glow. This one right here. I'm not sure if it's focusing or not. But anyways, it's just a little sample by Physicians Formula. Apply all over or to high points of the face. Can be worn alone or paired with your favorite Physicians Formula foundation. And well, if you guys know me, I don't really use bronzers, so I will be putting this in a future giveaway. Okay, and this normally retails for $13.48, the full size, and the full size is 1.3 ounces, and this is only 0.2 fluid ounces. Okay, now the next product here, it is the Shop Face Wash Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Respect your face. I never seen this before. Have you guys tried this before? I haven't. I mean, I haven't really bought any new stuff for like a whole year, but I don't know. I will have to try this out. It says the Shop Face Wash Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, full size $9.97, and full size is 4.0 ounces, and this one is 1 fluid ounces. I'm gonna open it to smell it for you guys. I can't really smell it. It has like a chemical smell, but I can't tell if it's chemical or a fruit smell. But anyways, so that's that. Okay, now the next product that I see here, it is the Heritage by Mindy McKnight Add on My Hair Gentle Daily Shampoo. Daily shampoo for all hair types. So this is it right here. So I'm excited to try this out. And it says Aloe My Hair is made with a unique blend of potent ingredients that cleanses hair of impurities and excess oils without stripping it. The shampoo is ultra mild, moisture rich, and perfectly safe for everyday use. So that's pretty cool. I haven't used this type of shampoo before, or this brand. And this shampoo retails for $8.94, $8.94 for 13.0 ounces, and this is only 2 fluid ounces, so this is just a little sample size. So that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try this out. Oh, let me smell it. Forget. It smells pretty good. Okay, this smells really good. It smells like coconut or oatmeal and vanilla or something like that. It smells really, really nice. Let me know if you guys have tried this shampoo and what do you guys think. I like it. I like the smells. Alright, the next thing that they sent me, it is this Mega Babe Thigh Rescue Anti-Friction Stick. Okay, so I actually needed something like this because my thighs rub a lot and it causes friction and it hurts. So I'm pretty happy that I got this. So I was trying some other brand. I think it was Gold Bond or something like that. I can't remember. Feels kind of oily. Smells like baby powder. It's just clear. So I will try this out when I wear a dress or shorts. I will let you guys know how it feels and if it works. This is applied to inner thighs or wherever you chafe. Reapply as needed. And this retails for $13.97 for a 2.1 ounces, and this is only 0.81 ounces. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited to try it out and see if it actually works. Okay, the last product that I got is the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. Sorry if I'm shaking a lot. I'm not nervous. I'm just hungry. I need to eat something right now. So yeah, I got this little lotion and I've already tried out their daily moisturizing lotion and I really like this. So I'm happy that I have another one. This one's not on the pamphlet. This is the one for normal to dry skin, moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have already used this lotion or moisturizer. So yeah, anyways, I really, really like that. So I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. I did get 6 products. I think I paid $6 for all of this. So anyways, that is all for today. If you guys have questions about anything or comments, just let me know. I'm happy to be back. I'll try to record a video twice a week and we'll go from there. If you guys want more videos like palette bingos or I don't know, any other type of video, just let me know and I'll do it. And like I mentioned, I do have these 2 Walmart beauty boxes, so let me know if you guys want me to unbox them together. And I mean, if you guys don't want to see it, you could also tell me that you don't want to see these unboxings. I also received something from Buzz Agent. But anyways, hopefully this video isn't weird. I don't know. Okay, so anyways, thank you all for watching.
How do I end videos? I can't remember.
But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys. And I'm sorry, Chris. I'm sorry I didn't open your package earlier. I feel guilty. Alright, bye, guys.